The stadium transformation is moving at incredible speed, and today's progress is more impressive than ever. From the Gol Sur panels to the rising VIP rings, a new premium identity is clearly taking shape. Massive compression ring lifts and crane operations show the scale and precision of this phase. The third tier is almost complete, with seating already giving a glimpse of the final look. Every detail across the stadium confirms it is now entering its most exciting stage. We're now at the Gol Sur, where, as you can see, some sections already have these decorative panels installed. The main structure to support them is fully in place, although a few key elements, like the hooks needed for installation, are still missing. Even so, these panels are now appearing across multiple areas of the stadium, and for the first time, we can really start to get a sense of what the final look will be like. One of the most exciting areas right now is the first VIP ring, where large glass sections are already in place, giving it a clean and premium look. You can also see a lot of ongoing work inside, showing how fast this area is moving, and it's very likely to be one of the first to open. At the Gol Sur corner, more glass has been installed and interior work is progressing smoothly, reflecting steady and well-organized development in this part of the stadium. At Gol Sur, the first section of the compression ring is now being lifted, with cranes actively in motion. Through the live cameras, we can clearly see this key structure taking shape, with only a small gap remaining above. The scale of the work is impressive. Massive bolts and sections weighing over 20 tons are being carefully secured by a skilled team. It's a slow, precise process, but everything is well controlled. At the same time, another larger section is already being prepared for the next lift, showing steady and well-planned progress in this crucial phase. The most important phase still to come is the construction of the roof. The structure that will support it is already being assembled, with massive steel elements being lifted and installed into place. This framework will carry the entire roof system, making it one of the most complex parts of the project. Because of this, it's very likely that matches will continue to be played away from the stadium, most likely at Estadio Olympic Luis companies, until the roof is completed. The final design is expected to be similar to the structure seen in Inter Miami Freedom Park. The third tier is now entering its final phase, with only a small section left to complete. What's really exciting is that seat installation has already begun, giving a first real glimpse of how this level will look once finished. The progress here is impressive, and you can clearly see the transformation happening. With the final structure nearly in place, this tier is set to become one of the most visually striking parts of the stadium, especially once everything is fully completed. From the Gol Norte area, a new detail stands out in the tribune sector, where fresh support structures have been installed in one of the main cores, suggesting something important could be planned here. There is speculation these supports may be for a large screen, though nothing is confirmed yet, but it remains a strong possibility. Meanwhile, the first VIP ring is still in an early stage, with only basic concrete divisions visible, showing that this whole area will clearly be developed in phases. One of the most interesting areas on the side is the ongoing earth-filling work in the ramp in front of La Masia. You can clearly see steady movement here, with soil being spread and compacted layer by layer to properly level the ground. This zone is gradually taking shape as trucks continue bringing material, and the surface is now very close to being fully leveled, ready for the next stage of construction. From Gol Norte, a new and unexpected seventh pillar is being lifted, which has surprised everyone on site. It looks different from the previous ones and is being handled very carefully, as it's still unclear whether it will be fully installed or just placed temporarily. Workers are adjusting it slowly with machinery, while nearby ceramic installation work is also continuing. The exact position of this pillar is still a mystery, making this moment one of the most interesting parts of the day's construction activity. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stadium progress just like this. We're watching history being built step by step. Stay tuned for the next incredible transformation.